The village of Umueke did not sleep for days. The disappearance of Adaeze, Chief Okori's pride, hung over the people like a bad omen. And beneath the ancient uba tree, the winds whispered louder than ever. Some said she had drowned herself in the Oji River. Others swore they saw her spirit dancing by moonlight at the edge of the forest. But Obinna knew something no one else did. The uba tree still held her secret. Banished from Umueke, Obinna wandered for days, wounded, both in body and soul. Yet his dreams were filled with Adaeze's voice, soft and broken. "Obinna, don't forget me, come back." He returned to the tree one last time, under cover of night. There, lying at the roots, half buried in earth, he found it, Adaeze's ivory comb, still stained with her scent. "You're not dead," he whispered. "You're hidden." Meanwhile, in the chief's compound, Amaka, the one who betrayed her, sat restlessly in her hut. Her conscience itched, but her ambition silenced it. Now seen as the loyal daughter, marriage to Ezudo loomed on her horizon. But her heart carried a lie. In a hidden grove, far from the village, an old woman with eyes white as chalk crushed herbs in silence. The villagers called her Agbonma the Silent, a seer who spoke only when the spirits did. And that night, she spoke. "The tree hides what is meant to return, but beware, for not all roots grow back clean." The next day, Chief Okori ordered the oob tree to be cut down. "Let no cursed thing stand in my village," he barked. As the axe hit the trunk, a scream pierced the air, high, sharp, and from nowhere. The axeman dropped dead on the spot, his eyes wide with fear. The villagers fled. The tree bled sap like tears, and the whispers grew louder. Obinna, now hiding in the forest, was visited by someone he thought he'd never see again. Nadi, his estranged half-brother, long exiled for breaking tribal laws. "They lied to you," Nadi said. "Adaeze is not gone. She's hidden by those who swore to protect the land." Obinna clenched his fists. The truth was close, but so was danger. Meanwhile, Adaeze, alive but weak, sat inside a dark hut, hidden in a shrine near the Forbidden Hills. Her wrists were bound, but her spirit burned. "They fear our love," she whispered, "but love always returns." As the moon rose once again, the oob tree stood tall, its bark now cracked with anger, its leaves silent no more. And in the distance, the wind carried a voice. "Obinna, find me, before the new moon." The journey has just begun. Tears beneath the oob tree.